you're experiencing the Roblox installation loop error 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Restart your computer. Begin by restarting your computer. This simple step can often resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the installation loop. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can disrupt the installation process. Step 3. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall settings. Sometimes, security programs can block the installation process, leading to errors. Step 4. Clear Roblox cache. Navigate to the Roblox folder in your computer's updated directory and delete any cache files. This can help remove corrupted files that may be causing the installation loop. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. Uninstall Roblox completely from your computer and then download the latest version from the official website. A fresh installation can often resolve persistent issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the installation loop error. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.